You want to make a ride command video? Yeah, Planet Earth. I'm Eric and this is Tom, and we're going to take you to school today. Polaris Ride Command is one of the coolest things in ATV UTVing today. A lot of people don't know about it. What is Ride Command? How do you get a Ride Command? Why is Ride Command good for you? What's a friend? How do you get a friend? Well, Tom is my friend and he's one of the best people at this machine. So he's gonna show you what the features are. He's gonna rifle through some of the main ones and then we'll get to the coolest one, which is navigation at the end here.
Absolutely. So a couple cool things. Here's your screen. All right, you can have a new age screen. You can have a traditional screen with the needles on it. You also got your front camera up front, rear camera behind us there. Front camera works okay. The rear camera is the best when you're unloading off a trailer, making sure your ramps are lined up. Also, you got your tune axis right here, so you can listen to the stations if you want. Now, trust me. The station. There's no stations up north, so don't act like you're gonna go listen to your favorite Murphy in the morning on 101 up in the Northwoods. You really got to have some music on your phone to upload on there if you're really gonna do it right. And also, you can't stream Pandora because there's no reception up in the woods. So.
Or put music on a jump drive. That works really well.
Or put it on a jump drive, exactly. So we got that. You got your Bluetooth integration right here. All right, so you can have your phone in your front pocket if you want. One of the things that I found is you're going to want to make sure if you have your phone in your front pocket is to have an auxiliary charger with it. What I do is I always hook mine just straight into the machine, so it's charging and reading off there, running with USB. Or you can also, on this side here, hook up your Cena headset. I personally have a Cena headset and my wife and I use it to communicate back and forth, and then I got a couple customers who have Cena headsets and I can talk to them back there, but you can all integrate it through the machine. Easy Bluetooth integration. We got your settings over here. All your easy settings, you can change the brightness, auto brightness as night goes on, and also your speed or your sound volume adjustment. Which makes your volume go up as you spread out.
I heard they used that in NASA in the Apollo 11 mission.
Yeah, exactly. That was the one that blew up, isn't it? That's the Tom Hanks one.
Oh no, the Columbia!
Oh no, Houston, we have a problem. Okay, we also got your ride stats in here, which is neat if you want to know exactly how much time you're riding versus how much time you're sitting around hanging out with your buddies having a smoke. What I really like is the diagnostic. If you have something that happens to you on the trail, a code comes up, it's going to give you a real person terminology on what's going on. I had a belt blow on my machine once, and it said engine override, and I could actually find out what that meant. Now here, there's no codes on this, but that's a cool feature there. Best thing though is the peace of mind knowing where you are. So in the middle button right here is your navigation. Push the button right here. Default, because we're in the store, it's in the ocean. All right, so I'm going to get us out of here. I'm going to bring us
Zanzibar.
Yeah, it's like car navigation. So we have the rides, the trails all upload on here. Now, what I've done in the past is anytime I go riding, I take my I record my ride on my ride command, and then I'll upload it to a flash drive here. Cool thing about this flash drive is that I can take this map off my machine, go to Eric's machine. He has ride command also. Say, Eric, I just had an awesome ride I think you should do. And I can take it, hook it into his machine, and upload the exact loop that he did. So he doesn't worry about trying to making sure he doesn't miss a corner. I usually upload some waypoints on there where the gas stations are, where the parking rides are, all that. But the cool thing is that it gives you that peace of mind. One thing that I found with most customers is they buy these machines, and the hardest part about using them is actually getting out and using them, because they're afraid to get lost. Well, that's what Ride Command
does. That's why they follow us, right?
Or they follow us along, too.
Big mistake.
Big mistake. All right. I'll follow you right up into the woods there. But the cool thing is that I can share all the rides, and I can give you the confidence of exactly where to go. And if you have a cool ride that you want to share with me, that'd be awesome. Hook it up to your flashlight. I'll hook it in, and we'll make a point of it.
Yeah, bring your jump drive in, and we'll put some rides on there for you. One thing is I think it has to be less than 32 gigabytes for it to work in the Ride Command. So keep that in mind. Click the link below and we'll show you some cool Ride Command options. Thanks for watching, everybody.
All right, see you this week.